Hi friends, here we have to prove n power 5 minus 5n cube plus 4n is divisible by 120. Right. Just by looking at this 120, we understand that 120 is 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. Right. What is 120? 120 is 5, 4, 3, 2. Right. 20 into 3, 60 into 2 equals 120. Right. That means if a number is divisible by 120, it has to be divisible by 5 also, 4 also, 3 also, 2 also. Right. So here the number given to us is for 5 minus 5 and cube plus 4n. We should figure out a way to get 5, 4, 3 2 in this. Now let us just factorize this. N times n power 4 minus 5n square plus 4. Right. This equals, we are just taking n common. This is n power 4 and 5n square. It is kind of quadratic, but if you take n square as some p, then becomes p square minus 5p plus 4, right? So we can directly factorize this also, n power 4 minus 4n square minus n square plus 4, right? This becomes n times n square into n square minus 4 minus 1 into n square minus 4. This becomes n times n square minus 1 times n square minus 4. Right. This again we can factorize n square minus 1 is n square minus 1 square. This becomes n minus 1 times n plus 1. Right. n times n minus 1 n plus 1 times n minus 2 n plus 2. Right. N square minus 4 is n square minus 2 square. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. Right. Now if we have got 5 numbers. So if you closely observe, we have n minus 1, n plus 1, see n minus 1, n plus 1, and n minus 2, n plus 2. Right. All 5 will definitely be consecutive numbers. Right. N minus 2, n minus 1, n plus 1, n plus 2. These all 5 must be consecutive numbers. Right. If these are consecutive numbers, right, if take any random consecutive numbers, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. If you take any random consecutive numbers, let's say you take something like this, right? Then in every set of 5 numbers, you will always find a multiple of 5. You will always find a multiple of 2. You will always find a multiple of 3. You will always find a multiple of 4. Any 5 random numbers you are taking. Because every 5 numbers, these multiples will just repeat themselves. Right. So for example, this 2, the multiple of 2 repeats every second number. Right, 2, 4, 6, 8. Multiple of 3 repeats every third number. 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. Multiple of 4 repeat every 4 numbers. Multiple of 5 will repeat every 5 numbers. Right, 5, 10, 15, 20. So any 5 consecutive numbers, continuous numbers if we take, there will always be at least, there will always be one multiple of 5, one multiple of 4, right? At least one multiple of 2, at least one multiple of 3, like this, right? So we are guaranteed that if we are taking any 5 numbers, there will always be one multiple of 2, there will always be one multiple of 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. That means the product of these numbers, which is this, the product of these 5 numbers, n minus 1, n plus 1, n plus 2, n minus 2 is n power 5 minus 5 n cube plus 4n. It will always be a multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5, always a multiple of 120. Even if you take the first 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then also it is 120. The any other numbers if you take, it is definitely greater than 120. Right, guys? And it is definitely a multiple of 120. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.